Welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 2002 4.3 GL Volvo Penta engine, which is the Vortec 4.3. The boat, as you can see, had a fire in it. It was a wiring harness fire, not an engine fire, so nothing was damaged. New water pump, oil's good. Compression was at 160 on every cylinder. We're going to sell this engine as a complete drop-in engine. We're going to pull the motor mounts off to the bottom of the boat, unhook a couple bolts, unplug a couple harnesses, and pull it, and that's what you're going to get. It's a complete drop-in ready engine. It's a freshwater Minnesota motor, so no salt water's ever been through it, nice and clean. The customer stated that he had about 54 hours on it when it caught on fire. So great running engine. We'll run it up for you. Idle's nice. Like I said, we put a new water pump impeller in it. Oil was good. It'll be winterized, fogged and everything when we shut it off. So it's ready to ship or pick up locally, whichever you choose. Give her a little throttle. Shut her off, pop her back off. Like I said, great running motor. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.